Hey everybody, we just got done drawing Samus's helmet from the Metroid video game series. This is mine. This is Finn's.
I wrote it.
I know, they turned out awesome. So we're going to show you how we did it, and let's jump into it. All right, everybody. Today we are drawing Samus's helmet from Super Metroid.
Not Super Metroid.
Well, I guess depending on whatever game you're playing. Metroid series. I grew up on Super Metroid. Finn first started playing Metroid Dread. Both games
No,
are amazing.
the first Metroid game I started playing was Metroid Fusion, I think.
Okay. Well, the main character is Samus, one of our favorite video games, and we're going to draw her helmet right here in the middle. Okay?
Right there.
So we're going to draw a big arch like this to draw the top of her
here?
helmet.
From here to there?
I usually start on the left, then go to the right. Okay? We're going to go. Well, if it's not perfect, it's fine. We're just having fun here. Yep. Yeah. Okay, and then here and here, these are the two sides of her helmet. We're going to draw we're going to dip inward and go straight down, dip inward and go straight down, kind of like this. In, straight down, in, straight down.
Like this?
Yep. Okay.
Kind of like a squid or something.
Kind of, sort of, yeah.
Kind of looks like the squid from Mario Kart.
Mm-hmm. Now we're going to draw her visor, okay? Before we do the visor, let's draw a straight line down. So we'll start at the middle here and go straight down like that, and then straight across like that, and then over, and then straight across. Then down on the edges. And then we're going to diagonal lines inward. And then 2 lines down.
This is looking good.
Yeah, and then across. There's our visor. Nice. Yours
wow.
I think yours looks kind of cooler than mine, honestly.
Yeah.
Okay, and then now, right here, in the middle of these little wings for visor, we're going to do 2 lines up, diagonal out. You could do it like that. I do diagonal out, and then straight up. But you did yours different, but it's okay.
Yeah, mine looks really cool.
Yep. And then now we're going to do the little ear pieces.
Yeah.
They're going to go out, in, out, in. Nice. And then right here, diagonal in, diagonal in. Okay. So right here at the bottom of her visor, we're going to draw that, like that, 2 lines, then connect the bottom with like a little swoop, and then lines like that, stripes almost. Then we'll go down, across, up to go underneath that. Okay. And then here, we're going to connect those. Little bumps. Come out here, not all the way down. Yep. And then now curve those inward. And then we're going to connect this corner like that, and this corner like that. And then now we're going to do, see how this bump kind of curved in? We're going to do stripes that curve in like that all the way down. And we're going to do the same thing on this side, stripes that curve out all the way down. Okay, And that is Samus's helmet. Now we're going to color it in.
Yeah.
The colors that we use for Samus's helmet, Samus generally has like an orange suit, but her helmet is
like
red.
red.
Yeah, it looks legit. Okay, here we go. Okay, there it is. Samus. Samus was actually my main character in the very first Super Smash Bros. But now I'm Mega Man. Okay, this is our Samus helmet. We hope you liked it. I love how you did what I did here with the shine in the visor. And the shine here, it just kind of makes the whole thing kind of pop a little bit.
Yeah, it looks so good.
I love it. You did awesome. Well, I hope you guys liked it. Give it a thumbs up. And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.